This Shiatsu massager should be in every home, from the company Snailax, for your neck, shoulders, back, stomach, and legs. Very easy to carry, only 2 kg with the box. Our cat also asked to show what's inside. Package includes massager, home adapter, car adapter. Relieving muscle tension from the abdomen, neck, shoulders, hips, waist, and back. Let's take another closer look at the package contents. Pay attention to the gray fabric cover. Instructions in English are also included. Before starting work, connect the massager to the power cord. The massager does not have a built-in battery and is powered by electricity. The car adapter allows you to use the massager in the car. This is a removable dust cover made of material that is easy to wash. Protects rotating parts from contamination, prevents direct contact with the skin. Wrapped around the knots and secured with adhesive tape. The massager is very easy to operate, only 4 buttons. 1 power button. When pressed, the high speed of the rotating Shiatsu nodes is activated clockwise. 2 intensity button. When pressed, you can adjust the speed high or low. 3 directional button. When pressed, switches rotation clockwise or counterclockwise. 4 heating button. When pressed, you can turn the heating on or off. Try what is most comfortable and convenient for you. Look carefully again and remember the buttons. Eight rotating Shiatsu nodes imitate the hands of a massage therapist and are designed for deep massage. Heating function to relax muscles and improve blood circulation. U-shaped ergonomic design. Hand straps for self-fixation and pressure adjustment. The purpose of the Shiatsu massager: relief of muscle tension, pain, improvement of blood circulation, relaxation. The massager is equipped with overheating protection. After 15 minutes of continuous operation, it will turn off automatically. This is why you need the Snailax massager.
Grab it now!